Come on, man. They rethink about it. You understand me, I say? Everything what Andrew Olin say, wrong. Completely wrong. You can't put the camera upon me, man. I'm afraid, man. Yeah, man. Completely wrong, man. I'm straight labor right. I'm telling the honest truth. Andrew Olin, you're not going good. You understand me, I say? If you call election, you're going to have a problem. You understand me, I say? Yeah. Just look for the ticket, them. And see how much money you're charged with as a taxi man. Right? Crime now solved. Nothing at all. Why a taxi man are the problem? Come on, Andrew Olin, man. Do better than that, man. Respect you, I will rate you, but you have to do better than that. A taxi man alone get the pan. Come on, man. Crime and fight to solve the man. You understand me, I say? Yeah, man. Respect my boss. Yeah, man.
Them traumatized, you understand?
I mean, you're rich, man. Yeah, man. Taxi man, man.
Yeah, man, you don't know what's other than the place, you know. You don't know what you're taking this sign, you don't know what's other than the place. Understand? You see the whole traffic thing a foolishness. The charges them because you are going to bomb now. You and your brethren live the same place. Saying, and your brethren brought down a road. Right? And your brethren no have it. You can't even jar your brethren again. You understand? And them think they are foolishness. You understand? You have some little pitney and thing. You have to left them a road because you can't carry them in your car because you don't have no car seat. All of them they are foolishness. You understand? So the market people them, right? The market people them can't even go and market free enough. They can't go up on a van and thing and know so them are going to market because they don't get charged for it. They may think they are foolishness. And again, if the taxi associate people them now support we when these if the taxi associate people them really now support we when these problems come up. It don't make sense. We don't need them. You understand? Because they're supposed to out here and represent and say, yo, them kind of rules there, nothing go on, and them not out here. So why we have to pay them years to years, we have to pay them money? That don't make no sense. You understand? Paying them money years to years, that don't make no sense because them not there here. We support the problem where we have to just do it by ourselves. So when we need, we road lights, nothing better, we just do it by ourselves. You understand? So pay foolishness are going. You understand? And the Prime Minister of the country need to do better because all him do, so long as high rank and people too thin picking them and go to school. The poor people them no need to go to school. You understand? So if he can't manage the work, if he does job and make somebody who can manage the work, and if I pay them, I pay him, if he job where I do and move on the right road, you understand? And make other people who can manage the work do it. Prime Minister now do nothing for the country.